What if a drone never had to come home? That's the radical idea behind Voltair, a startup developing fixed-wing drones for continuous infrastructure inspection. Traditional drones are grounded by battery life, needing frequent swaps and human oversight. Voltair's system uses pole-mounted inductive pads for autonomous charging, allowing a single drone to cover vast areas without landing. This tackles a huge problem for power utilities, which struggle with aging infrastructure and the risks of extreme weather and wildfires. Their current inspection cycles can be a decade long, leaving networks vulnerable. Voltair's technology, with its Faraday One drone and lighthouse, One ground station, offers a solution for more frequent, efficient inspections, potentially saving billions and preventing disasters. This is the future of infrastructure monitoring, where the drone never has to come home.